to any stations.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Clark International Airport in Clark, Philippines. Local time now, it's 37 minutes past the hour of 11, and there is no time difference between Hong Kong and Clark, Philippines. The ground temperature is at 29 degrees Celsius. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight crew, Captain Villar and First Officer Lin Yan, together with the cabin crew team for this flight, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with Cebu Pacific. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this on the bins that will be provided near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. And for guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside your seat pockets, and please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft is a serious offense. And for guests who are requested for wheelchair assistance, you are advised to deploy masks using the forward door. Para po sa mga panauwi na kapag request ng wheelchair assistance, kayo po ay muling bababa gamit ang manahang pintuan. bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga dala-dalahin.
Ito yung ating kabayan na si Inday Boyle. 5 years na hindi umuwi.
Ako! Dry na dry.
Try na dito.
Yan, baba na kami sa Clark. Yan, excited ang lahat. Kaya minto na yung aming airplane. Ayan o, nagpapaganda na sila.
Tatlo tayo.
Siguro, dito naman siya huminto.
Lalagari na yung Nilagista pala to? Hindi yung kapit natin.
Ang laki pala ng bag mo ate.
Doors be open.
Nagre-request sa mga babae.
Ako ngayon panggawa ng ano, ng pangalan nun? Sushi? Tungtong ka dyan. Ay, sa wakas. Nagkita rin ng Pinas.
Girlie!
After 5.5.
Bye!
Dapat nakauwi.
You may claim your check-in baggage at carousel number 2. Once again, that's carousel number 2. Thank you for waiting. The forward door is now open. You may now deploy. Thank you for flying with Cebu Pacific and enjoy your stay here in Ghana.
Baka pati sipon ni Kuya.
Wala na yun. Wala na. Sabay tayo? Sabay tayo? Ah, sige po. Dalawa. Kayo nga po yung nahanap ko. Ayan yung lagis natin.
Ibig isang pumapasahero, sabi mo, baka dito na yung ready mo, pag wala na, para wala. Meron akong, yung asawa ko, naghanap ng sasakyan, ngayon natin niya kami sa loob. Sabi ko sa kanya, tanong ko sa driver, gusto niya magsakay pa. Oo. Para, ano, makasit ka rin. Oo. Na? Sana all. Grabe, wala nang sasakyan.
Saan ka ba sasakin sa Tarlac? Bakit magdadao kayo may bus naman na dyan? Diretso? Wala na siya?
Kailangan dumiretso na po tayo ng daw ngayon.
Ay, sister, baka pwede?
Makikunik na ako dito.
Sabi mo sa kanya, may sasakyan siya?
Ako daw.
Apat kami. Oh, thank you. Bye-bye. Mag-immigration na kami. Bye-bye.